Motor just blew up. Welcome to my hell. Had some minor issues on this bike, and the long story short is the motor blew up. Don't know exactly what happened. Just saw a big cloud of smoke coming out through the pipe. Some very crazy sounds. And the bike stalled, did start, and I didn't even try starting it actually because it sounded so crazy. But I have a feeling that this motor is toast. But toast for now. I'm going to replace this motor with that motor for the time being because it don't stop. Today's Monday. And we are riding out to Yosemite and Mammoth Lakes on Friday to go camping and stuff like that. And who doesn't change their motor just a few days before, a big trip? So welcome and follow along and let's see if I even make it. There's a chance that everything goes wrong, but there's also a chance that everything goes right. Don't know 100% yet, but I'm curious. But I just don't have time to figure it out right this second. But we will probably at another point open up this motor and see exactly what happened. Just not sure if we really want to deal with like trying to rebuild it or anything like that. Yeah, let's see what the frick this is gonna look like though. Okay, let's take a look-see. Can you even see anything? Looks a little metally. Oh yeah, I think it's getting worse. No, brother. Shit. Nope. Shit. Okay. Don't have new gaskets, so I'm gonna have to reuse these. Or not. Very cool. Yep. Inner primary out. God damn. If you're new here, no, this is not my shop. I work part-time at a local shop here in San Mateo, California called Lions Den Customs. I definitely would not be able to get something like this done in the time that I had in my apartment complex garage floor. So thank you, John, for letting me use your space and some of your tools when I really needed it. So if you're in the Bay Area and you're trying to get some work done on your bike, hit up Lions Den Customs. I'll put his information in the description. Just took the crank sensor out. Look at this thing. Holy fuck! Is it supposed to look like that? I guess not. Damn. God damn. Let's see what happens. Fuck. This thing is probably heavy as fuck, dude. Ugh. Come on, motherfucker. Ah. That was actually easier than I thought it was gonna be. Just me and the homies. 2 twin cams.
yeah, I mean, sucks, but kind of is what it is. I'm not gonna. Holy fuck, dude! Just saw that. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow, that's not good. It's not good. Yeah. Now just gonna focus on the next step. This came out. This is like almost a bike right here. I mean, you just need a few more things and boom. So I need to like disconnect all this shit. Like, I mean, it's gonna be a lot of work, but fuck. Let's get to it. Day 2. Pretty productive first day. I think now will be the hard part, to be honest. And yeah, let's see how it happens. She's in. All right, day 3. Got some good progress in yesterday. I got a little stuck on the oil bag. There's way more metal shavings in the oil bag than I really thought. It just kept going and going and going. I am exhausted. I've been here all day. I wrestled with the oil bag way more than I needed to. For some reason, I was insistent on using my original oil bag, and it was full with metal. I just couldn't, no matter how I cleaned it, what technique, what random forum technique, I just couldn't do it. So I ended up finding just an old used FXR oil bag. It doesn't look as clean, but it's black and it'll work. And it looks clean inside. That's all that matters. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and try starting it. I assume it's going to smoke a shit ton because I assume that there's a lot of oil in the pipe still. So I guess I'll have the fan on and you'll see what happens with me too. So here goes nothing. Yeah, he's been nervous.
Couple camp items here. Hey,
Oh,
right
shit.
down, we're filming. Pad with the tent in, all in one.
Little mug. Dude, you got a mug.
We got the fucking mommy carabiner, the mommy beaner, whatever it's called.
Flying with the wind.
She's ready. She'll go.
She'll go. So sick. We out. Elijah brought his dirty laundry again. Let's see.
All right, there she is, dog. No leaks yet. New oil lines. I got so mad about. I rebuilt the fucking carb like 3 times. I threw the original carb across my backyard because it fucking leaked oil again. So
Leave gas. Mine was leaking gas too.
Dog, mine was just pissing. So I
Yeah.
fucking like I was so pissed. I took it, and dog, it's a walk to my backyard from the garage. That's how mad I was.
You had a few seconds to think about it
I
too.
went,
That'd be so funny to see on camera.
dog. So that's from my red bike. This air cleaner's from my red bike.
That poor red bike.
My fucking throttle cables are from my black bike because when I was doing it, the fucking throttle cable was on like the last little fray. I sealed everything. Hopefully she's good.
We'll see. But it'll be good. We got enough tools to rebuild the bike on the road if we need to.
Tucked in.
Yes!
Nicely,
You zip tied it? Oh
dog.
my god. You zip tied it.
That's like,
Do you have more zip ties to bring it back?
fuck yeah, dude. Look at this shit. It's in here somewhere. We good, dude.
Oh
If I need more zip ties than this, we're fucked.
Holy fuck. Oh, dude. This is how she stands. Honestly, I was telling them earlier, this was the first time I ever warmed up my bike in front of my apartment. Because the other motor was so goddamn fucking loud and rowdy. I just felt too self-conscious and I would just start it and ride it through the parking lot. Because it was just too loud. And this one, quiet and calm and smooth, and so far it's been fucking sick.
The other
So
motor was like,
yep, for real, dude. God
these
damn,
fucking motors are so like nice and calm.
calm. And I'm like, wow. And you know what? I've had a hell of people message me saying that the 111 SNS are a piece of shit. This dude works at a shop. He's like, I seen 5 of them break this year and just like blow up and stuff like that. I'm like, god damn, I thought they were like the shit, but I guess they are just shit. I don't know.
Can't daily a race car.
Yeah, can't daily a race car. That's really what it is. Made it, Scotty.
Hell yeah.
Looks solid to me.
Solid. Solid, baby.
All realistic.
Yeah.
Damn.
Ooh! That's fucked.
Turn it up all the way.
No, it's fucked. No drama.
Hell yeah, that's tight. Okay. Could it be warmer?
Yeah, and then I came here from San Francisco. I flew back. You know.
Fuck yeah, I've been done.
All right, everyone, say a prayer.
Yeah,
Say a
hopefully-
prayer.
Oh, there's- Just gonna squirt gas.
Listen.
Put on my fucking shit. Look cool when my one's on there. Yep, then we go to June Lake. Go to June.
Oh, shit. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Okay, we made it here to Tom's place. Pretty old school, cool place here. Hit some hot springs. I actually laid my bike down going off-roading a little bit there. Just gave her too much gas and lost the rear completely. But it's all good. Got a little dusty. My thing bent a little bit, but that's cool. The main thing is protecting the tank. The tank looks all right. Crash bars. This thing, dude, perfect. But besides that, all good. My bag's all good. It's a little dusty, but yeah, here we are. Woo.
Back to my city nationwide now. It's too late.
Oh boy, Andrew, that's why.
Your hand looks like it's beer deprived.
Appreciate you, bro.
What up? What up?
We're here. We got eggs. We got dogs. Eggs and dogs, baby. Hot. Hot chilada.
Show it. What is it? Dude, Pacific will fucking sponsor us.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I tried to keep you guys' burner away from the fucking action, but I think it got rusty.
That's what I was thinking. Yosemite might be a little congested. Dude, this is.
Oh no, it's gonna rip. We need another bungee, look.